Hello everyone, welcome back to rysonsspraybooth in association with Autospray Paint Learning, and in this video I will be talking about 7 advantages if you have an air compressor like this in your house. So stay tuned. Okay, so let's go ahead with the first advantage, that is, in your house for sure you will have some vehicles, you will have a bike, a car, and all those vehicles for sure have tires on them. So you can fill up your tires from home in all your vehicles. Now whenever you are filling air in your tires, the tire has to be cold. Now if you don't have an air compressor at home, then you will take your vehicle in the shop, and by the time your vehicle reaches from your home to the shop, the tires will become hot, which is not a very good time to fill air in the tires. Always remember that while filling air in your tires, the tires should be cold. So always fill your tires with air when they are cold. So if you have an air compressor at home like this, you can do that very easily. So that was the first advantage. Now let's go ahead with the second advantage. And the second advantage is, if you have an air compressor like this, then you can connect a nozzle to the pipe and you can blow out all the dust from your garage or from your house or in the tight corners where your broom or your brush doesn't reach. You can blow that dust out easily with pressured air if you have an air compressor like this in your house. So it becomes very easy, guys, believe me. So let's go ahead with the third advantage. And the third advantage is you can connect impact wrench to this air compressor. Now what this impact wrench will help you with is that if you want to take out any nut or bolt from your vehicle, and if that nut or bolt is very tight, then if you have an impact wrench, then it becomes very easy to take out any nut or bolts. They use this technology in the showrooms, in the service centers. You guys have already seen that, but now you can use that technology in your house when you have an air compressor like this. So that was the third advantage. Now the fourth advantage of having an air compressor like this in your house is you can connect many pneumatic tools to this air compressor like cutter, DA sander, spray guns, and all those tools can be connected to this air compressor, which will make your life very easy, believe me, guys. Which takes us to the fifth advantage, and the fifth advantage is you can paint your bikes or cars if you have a compressor like this in your house. For example, if you get a scratch on your car, or if you want to restore your whole bike, or if you want to restore your whole car, or if you want to repaint your whole car, then you can do it if you have an air compressor like this in your house, believe me, guys. If you want to learn step by step on how to do auto body and painting, and if you want to restore your vehicles, then I have a step by step course on how to do it. So if you are serious about learning auto body and painting, then go down in the description and I have put a link there if you want to get yourself enrolled in the course. Now let me tell you one thing, guys, this course is not for people who don't want to dirty their hands or very soft people. This course is not for this type of people. This course is for strong people who want to restore their bikes, who love to work on their bikes or cars. So these are exactly type of people, bike enthusiasts, car enthusiasts, who wants to restore their vehicle and who wants their vehicles to look good. So if you are one of them, then go ahead and hit the link in the description and get yourself enrolled. There is a 80% off going on at the moment, which I don't know when it will stop. So before it goes away, see that you get yourself enrolled. So with this, let's move on to the sixth advantage. And the sixth advantage is you will definitely have some parties in your house. And when there are parties in your house, you will have balloons put up everywhere in your house. Now to blow these balloons, it takes a lot of efforts, you know that, guys. Now if you have an air compressor like this, then you can blow these balloons very easily and in a very short time. So if you want to save some efforts in your party, then definitely you will need this. So moving on to the seventh advantage, and the seventh advantage is when you wash your bike or car at home. Definitely you wash your vehicles at home, right? And when they are all wet, you can dry them with the pressured air. These things you must have noticed in a washing station where after washing your bike or car, they dry it up with pressured air. So if you want to dry your bike or car after washing in your house, then you can use this air compressor to do it. Believe me, guys, your life is going to get better. Now these were the 7 advantages of having the air compressor at home. Now there are many types of air compressors which I will talk about in another video, or if I get 1000 likes on this video, then I will definitely go ahead and do that video. Do let me know if you want that video. And if you like this particular video, then see that you like and share the video with as many friends as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification when I release my next video. And like this, you will never miss any of my video. So till then guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye and take care.